Going to set a timer for 45 minutes and let's see what I can get done in that time frame. So I'm going to leave the washing machine open. Some fresh air can just get into there. We're going to come and wipe the side of the door, but just getting some fresh air in there is really good. It will stop mold from growing and the rubber bits in between, and also any funky smells. So it's great to all leave it open. Now to do some laundry, my least favorite thing to do. So my son loves making orange juice, and these are the jars that I've stored the orange juice that we would have made. So I'm just getting this clean and ready for us to make some. Comes back from nursery this afternoon. So we do this twice a week, every Sunday and every Wednesday, and he really looks forward to it every week. So I've promised him this morning, but this morning got very busy, so I'm just getting it all done now before we have to go and get him. If you are enjoying this content, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. And honestly, I am so grateful to you guys for always watching my videos and letting me know what you guys are wanting to watch. So please continue doing that on my Instagram page. Right, I now have about 12 minutes left and I'm going to tackle this laundry. So I'm going to fold it all as fast as I possibly can and then take it into the drawers where they all belong. I literally dislike laundry so much, but it has to be done. So one trick that I've decided to do that will motivate me is obviously using a timer. I get to race against the clock and see what I can do in the time set. So I highly recommend doing the timing method because, like I said, you're racing against time and you get to tackle the task a lot faster. And yeah, I don't really tend to do a lot of laundry content because, like I mentioned, it's one of my least favorite things to do. So it is a bonus if you guys get to see some laundry motivation. I hope it is helpful for you guys, and I've got 8 minutes left. We shall need to organize in there, but today is not the day. Now onto the cooker itself, and I'm going to do this as fast as I possibly can because it's almost time for me to go pick up my son from nursery. So this is the last task I'm going to do before I go. And that is it. I have managed to do as much as I can before that alarm rings. The kitchen is looking so much better and the living room is clean. So I gave myself 45 minutes and I have achieved quite a lot in that time frame. I actually enjoy doing these challenges, so I might do some more. So look out for those in the upcoming uploads. But that is it. The kitchen is done and our alarm is actually ringing. So that's me done for today. If you have enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section below and look out for more content. You guys have a lovely day. I will see you on the next upload. Bye.